What is GAAP? Generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP, refer to a common set of accounting principles, standards, and procedures, rules, and guidelines developed by the accounting industry for companies to follow when reporting financial data. Following these rules is especially critical for all publicly traded companies. The ultimate goal of GAAP is to ensure a company's financial statements are complete, consistent, and comparable. This makes it easier for investors to analyze and extract useful information from the company's financial statements, including trend data over a period of time. It also facilitates the comparison of financial information across different companies. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also press the bell icon for future updates. See you in a new video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.